personally maybe yana beka no not ukuzitshela ukuthi ufundise umntana ungamfundisa lokuya ukuthi sula la usula so yini but not ukuthi umshaye
kanje umpelo akamshaya amtrapa sibani namanje is good ukuthi umuntu ahambe lapha ebox afika agibele phezulu kwa counter lapha ajayive phezulu kwa counter lasibeka khona ukudla kwethu
no Isengiyasho ukuthi angithi maybe bazocleana lapho mabaqeda.
Abo bani sibani bacleanele wena uzenza content.
So how ibed kanjani like okay ngicela ungiexplainele ke.
Bra, this is a shop.
A report abuse of a learner by a teacher at Isiziba Primary School. One other matter, a 15-year-old grade 9 learner, a girl, has been hospitalized following a reportedly corporal punishment by a teacher.
Hospitalized. Khona ekhodi la uthi lesho ukuthi uyofihla into zayo. My film abayibuza bathi why ulove ekhodi ithi like already live lugula. Lile la yombona esibhekela ngacheck ama record lapha ukuthi lo muntu ombona esibhekela bathi first of all lo muntu lo uthuma makho athi athi lo muntu lo must siya check ukudlula nge10 years and according to ifamily yakho wena kusuwe uyi1 unosisi wakho sho ukuthi lo muntu yenisisa ukudlula nge2 years sho ukuthi lo muntu lo benomntwana na 8 years checking ngabe iKristu yenze kibo bezothethe bayayivumela le behavior leki because ama behavior abantu awafani makiba ama abantu endlini awafani bezothi okay e Shoprite e Checkers come on no bayicabangile nabo ukuthi if sisanda lo muntu ejele kuzenzakala into kwenzakala ngozuzu ukuthi kuzoba namaluthi namani ubonile sibaqala strike abantu bakhe already
yazi mangibuza kanje ngidaswa ngithi ngizwe izinto eziningi Mahindra.
Mahindra wagcokile. Ufuna kwala.
Angicokanga Mahindra. Angicokanga Mahindra.
Yeah. Ugcoke.
Ayibhathu nje.
Hey. These days asakwazi nokuthi ibhathu because ibhathu bathini nebrand
na oyisicathulo nje
awuthola ukuthi isicathulo nayo nebrand awazi mina ngesicathulo
it's just a shoe
wonke umuntu ufuna ithini konje la ngoyayazi
ngesicathulo osaje
mina ngithi continue ngayo mos
hayi mina yaza kusi ngayibeka kanjani
awenzi
lezinto lezi zengoma lezi yabona khana sisibamba manje nakhona manje asina it's not like ngizibambeza zonke yabona just lapha yabo
yeah hey sele kunjani kuvaya
hayi nesweet ningavutisa wonjani
hayi shapa sweet
inzambi mayembala nzumba sitsuvani maraki ashona manyika imbita sichava kuphama uma timing indoda oyibiza namhla ifike kusasa uma limi indima angacedi uyeke lo
niyaqala ningasho ukuthi niyaqala nivele nivole so ngishela isikhathi
no
yokubuza ukuthi unjani
no I just wanted to put a disclaimer yabona
Yeah.
no not a disclaimer is stamp
yeah
ukuthi you are no longer calling me today and arriving yesterday. You are calling me today, I arrive tomorrow.
oh so uyitshintshile
Kanjalo bamakwero.
uyitshintshele
Kanjalo bamakwero.
oh fere ye bafethu ke aye na kana la madi ya monna mosipidi ga tša mapela na matsaketša pese ke nana na boy ke mo kale pheko se se gwang ka ga se ke sha ke nna ke ngwana tša gala ka modidi ya matepe sa mtša ke ke mo ramphela le makga go se go le sa maitse le magaliadi ke marapa tšhukuša ka peo ka pitšete ya ke tšhabe ditekeno ba ke tlhompha nako Yeah, welcome back bafethu to another episode 52 bafethu. Yeah. Fere yazi bafethu sikhona lana we are with African Breeze bafethu. There is a house lana bafethu, a Blues brand bafethu. Is a 3-bedroom house bafethu. Is a 3-bedroom house with a yard size of 1026 square meter bafethu. Is property this property is probably perfect for investors bafethu because bona le bathi in lejartele ukuthi ngikhulu kanjani you can buy this land and then build your own cottage inside there or build your own bachelor rooms bafethu. The apartment, not the apartment, but the property is only 1,650,000 bafethu. So if you want the property bafethu, you can call or WhatsApp me at 067 0000787 067 0007870 bafethu. That's your agent Lefala Badimo bafethu. Yeah.
You were still asking me ukuthi khambani. I'm Baba sweet. I'm good.
Yeah.
Ngabuza ukuthi unjani mngani.
Nami ngibaba.
Yeah. Baba. Yonke into ehamba masweet.
Into phashash.
Phashash cha uthebelele smooth hayi kanjalo
leyo kwambani ngathi ama video amayashota lokwenzakalani ngapha
ayashota kanjani
manje yami moya ingcwele phela if ayashota inkinga le topic bengifuna ukuqala ngayo korayeka download lama video phela senze ingene la ngadalo yeah that's why wena uthuphetheni kwenzakalani emhlabeni kaJehova uyamosha
ngimuhawu
nkosi sothini
lutho ngimosha
sothini ebantwini
emhlabeni kaJehova nkosi yami
yeah
angazi ukuthi ngayibeka yazi labo mem these days lento bayenza ngakhona like sebaya nale technology I develop kakhulu nale ingcondo zalabantwana lezi I think ukuthi sezi khulile nyana uyabona not ukuthi zikhulile zi experience kakhulu ukuthi sebathatha yonke into manje sebaya videorize yabona nalama secret lawa bawenza ilento zalo
ekolweni
ekolweni sebaya waveza uyabona
kwenzakalani
abuse mngani wami yabona there's I will start with a video ane lama topic lawa i3 akhuluma ngento eyi1 abuse and lento le iyenzeka preschool crash iyenzeke primary ebuye iyenzeke high school
university yenzeka okay
no angithi sazophuma ezinye mhlawumbe if khona ezasema university but lezi engizibonile manje cabanga from crash
to
primary
to high school umuntu
eyi1 lo no no but like isengiyasho ukuthi abo mem aba abuse abantwana besikolo
Wow, leli ngilefana ukuyibheke kanje yabona. Yazi ngibona ngani ngiyazi le side leli lamba leli lemnyama kumele
eish yeah ngiyakuthola so labo mem laba bonke bahlukumeza abantwana besikolo ethi ngicale ngokukhombe le video le like yo mfethu iyase crash ungiconnect cabanga mfethu umntana se crash you can't raise a hand umntana se crash you can't mngani wami you can't ay let me show you this video let me connect
mara kunamuntu uthatha kahle ungashaya umntwana we-crash umntwana esikole si-understand crash phela lento le ingane ayazi next
no nakhona bekunalo mthetho lokuthi umntwana esikole akasashaya uphelelepi
asazi wona usasekhona vele umntwana esikole akashayi these days
no angithi mangiyibeka kanje angidefend labantwana labo ngiyazi ukuthi baya misbehave nabo angithi but there are many ways to punish that kid izwa le video icalisele
uzuyamklinisa
bra
wabani cabanga lo mntwana lo wazini ngokuklina lo mntwana lo
asasemncane kanje usafunda ukukhuluma lo mntana like ukubhala igama lakho usafunda lo mntana loyo akamshayi ezingane encane nokukhona mfethu
mara ngeke cabanga lo mama lo ujwayela abantu kabi lo ugayele umntana lo into ukuthi asule macede yamshaya ukuthi akhale futhi yazi yes
mfethu uzwile leza impama lezi
mfethu cabanga phela kusimpama ongashaya umntana omncane ngayo le nama bangakuhlangana
umntana wakho nopamntana wakho mfethu
lo muntu ovidarize la yena ubani
into ngisho kushuthi ujwayele mina te wengibona ngakhona ne kushuthi ujwayele ukuyenza lento le lo mem le so abantu sebakhathele labo bambonayo sebaya expose nokum expose yangithola ngoba you can't beat a child in that manner mfethu never
hayi cabanga wena uthatha umntwana uthumise crash mawufike crash bamshaya kancabanga umntwana ukhula netrauma engakhosanga uwo umzali hayi
mfethu umntwana uyomangala bheka lento ayihlekisa ne
ufuna ukuthini wena
umntwana uyomangala kusasa umgezisa athi hambe ecrash afika jike egate nabo uyazi ukuthi kuyenzakalani lapha ya
usho ukuthi labantwana labo mabaye crash phela kunabantwana ukuthi baye ekseni vele bayakhala baba ecrash ukuthi kumele bayithathe bathathele ingqondo lento lebabona ukuthi lo mntwana lo khalelani asali kunabanye ukuthi bayatefa vele bafuna ukwe-crash mara sometimes kusho ukuthi vele
ngeke umntana ahlezi
akhala everyday
ngiyajika mina ngisithanda isikolo in never mngani wami that's impossible shuthi khona bayazi ukuthi babayenzani lapha ekhaya angali ukudiscipline umntana ungamdiscipline kancane ngokumshaya incane ne maybe isandla thatha lo yamntana
le please thatha nakhona ayifo ukuthi umklinise umshaya umklinise umntana lo mntana angaklina la table le beklile esikole naleya
engathi intanga yakho mfethu yo ayi
lo mem lo ojwayela abantu lo
ilento leyo kuletha ama personal issues wakhe emsebenzini
ebantwaneni wesiphat ndoda yo phela umuntu lo yamntwana mfethu
yazi kwamele kuyenzakaleni
yeah
umphujaji
uJojo usho ukuthi mele so falenti yabo ya marena vele she mina ngaba siyazi ukuthi i-craship ngaba siyazi ukuthi craship lo mama
I
Hayi
know
izinto zona.
the way viral ngakhona I think
Sebe-
nakulo mama lo walumntana lo iseyifikile nokufika.
seke bayithathile kushini mina.
Yo mfethu umama lo mntana ayekawanda ubila kanjani.
Eish.
For sure
Yo, mfana, yo.
I'm sure akazibambanga umgibelile
Angeke ukuze
nokumgibela for
ungazibamba
sure
sibala.
nasi.
Umuntu ashaya umntana
Ngiyakutshela.
ngempama
Yo,
ezikanje, yo.
So
Yo. Maybe mina ngakusetela ibhomu. Shaya ipetrol bomb kwakho ushe wonke nabantwana bakho. Serious ezinye izinto zizenza ukuthi umuntu mfethu abe isayikho noma ngasi isayikho kanje. Yazi phela mawuzocabanga everyday pay yo sibala hayi ngeke. Yo.
angali maybe yena bheka no not ukuzitshela ukuthi ufundise umntana ungamfundisa lokuya ukuthi sula la usula so ini but not ukuthi umshaye kanje
phela wakamshaya uyamtrapa sibali umntwana
ukhipha yonke lento le anayo lento le uyambona uzuyamela yo yazini
nakhona umntwana lento asayingisho ngithi umntwana kwenzeka ukuthi angaklina lento le yayibe esikoni umntwana lento le akunokuthi angaklina le etafula le yabe ibe esikoni sibali
no yeah yazi the way ngakhona ne asisafuni ukuthola nale side lela lo mntana ukuthi uyenze
no
matter ukuthi uyenze but never umshaye
noma nomntana angamthuka amenzeni akunokuthi ungashaya umntana ngempama ezikanje lo muntu le yamngane sibale ingane ukuthi for sure nane bathina ne 7 years akakayibambi ingane
yazi the way ngi-imagine ngakhona lento le yane aye ngi-imagine in that way ukuthi mhlambe lo mntana lo uhlanzi uyagula maybe ahlanza lapha unenyongo or something ahlanza lapha ya manje lo mama lo khipha leya engaleya yonke lokuthi ngeke ngikine amkhiphele yonke leya engelo
manje uyagula lo mntana stilo
nosamshaya sure uyayibona lento
le least ngabathi amcleanisa amfundisa umcleanisa amahlanza wakhe nokuthi amshaye kanjani
hayi never man let me show you
yena umntwana kwamela agule vele uexpectane yena kanti
mfethu let me show le lento zami the article is guys
wona usuthatha umntwana uthumise crash mafika lapha uthola lamanyala
bo mama please khulumani nabantwana benu nibahleliseni phansi nibabuzeni ukuthi bekunjani esikoleni in details step by step neba hayi
cause ingane iyabhiziwa le crash yona unandaba utshela ukuthi hayi ingane right ngabe iyakhuluma ngaleso sikhathi ingane ayinangcondo ukuthi ngakhuluma ukuthi ngibatshela ukuthi bangenzani crash so wena ngcono umbuze mawufika esikoleni mntana kunjani esikolweni kunjani crash ufundeni wathi into ezikanjalo not ukuthi wena every time unothula umntana uzowubona nje umntana right hayi
umbuzeni ngiyidala uyanishaya mem no yeah noma kushaya into right but wena uyazi ukuthi detail ama details owafuna awaphi ngoba i-punishment into right ukuthi umphunishe but not uzo over punishment hayi nami lesiloke ngisikhipha lapha overdose
bo right overdose manje hayi manje sofakela
angithi overdose ngepunishment asifume naye le ithi corporal punishment raises its ugly head. Tembisa Online is following up into the matter relating to a report abuse of a learner by a teacher at Isiziba Primary School. One other matter, a 15-year-old grade 9 learner, a girl, has been hospitalized following a reportedly corporal punishment by a teacher.
Hospitalized? Jo?
Tembisa Online has met with both the parents and is following up. The attached pictures shows a grade 9 Tembisa West learner in a hospital bed. A diary of Isiziba Primary School learner.
Mm-hmm.
The diary says, 21 January, it says, I wish I was I wish I was never born. I wish I can get hit by a car. I wish I can get a kidnap. And I wish Mem Zungu can die now. I wish I didn't even exist.
wase primary
Primary.
le tayari le bayithole lo mntwana sekashonile akashonanga asikise
You emotional. No, he's not dead but abused
by a teacher
By a
by Mem
teacher.
Zungu.
by Mem Zungu. The other one, a grade 9 one, she's hospitalized.
Tasa ngicabanga ngokufa ikangithisi
Yeah.
lo hospitalized naye bamshaya
I-grade
ukuthi
9.
ayo esibhedlela
Yeah.
ngani umshaya ngani umntana aza esibhedlela sibani
Mfethu. There were many years back then. Now yazi ukuthi
asali nathi umene Mawanda beyathi mawindoda woza sivamana ngenqini umadima beyakushaya ngejude life wephansi
there were omunye umenier la elentuzana but akasafundisi khona ngazi ukuthi sekafundisa kuphi manje la eKalfantein primary ukuthi bekalentuzana bathi uThamaga Timen leyathi leya ingathi bathi beyibuye ebusothweni mangiyizwa mina bengisho ukuthi mangifika kule grade leya grade 7 ngithola ingasekho vele lakhle ngayithola ingasekho leyathi leya beyikushaya
yabona awushudayele bathu unja
uThamaga
ngiyangikhohliwe igama mara le sikhuluma le thina leya bebuya ku rugby beyidlala rugby anoti ubusotsha
beyidlala irugby
ke yazifika eclassini yasibonisa bathini ifoto yayo nabangane bayo babambane kanje ku rugby idayideng vele iyo le bengitshela ngithi nathi kudala bekutshela ukuthi mawindoda ayizapho umXhosa akusengixhosa aliyabo kumXhosa ke sho ukuthi balethe eKalfantein bayaziletha
la beyikhona ukuthatha ikubeke angithi ama content ukubeka ngasebondeni lapha ya engathi intanga yakho impeng somosha
kanda yabona manje na inyapiyoli yebo
kunabantu abacava grandparty leya bekuyime uyabona the way beshanga khona bekushayela ukuthi ucavu ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani not angijustify lokushaya kwayo ngifuna ukuthi bekulo manner lo ukuthi ufuna ukuthi uyenze into yeah noma ulovile bekakhona ukukulanda kwakhe ingene emotweni bekulande kwakho ungakacove nebhathe 1 kufake emotweni isuke yenawe esikolweni uattend period yayo
bese ungavaya lapha after lapha
hayi isecovile mara ngeke usaphume obvious angithi sophakathi esikolweni ngeke usaphume
thina nathi sikhule shower mara come to it I think vele risk yona shaya umntwana ngenqindi especially because some for example what if ushaya wena ngenqindi wona nama operation akazi maybe lento leyenza la kulo ntombazana lo ntombazana ukuthi mara wentombazana bekashaya ubabe ngenqindi umem
mfethu nami ngiyazibuza
bathi wentombazana
mfethu wentombazana uzaye esibhedlela nokube sesibhedlela mfethu
into engizibuza ukuthi bamshaye ngalo mntwana azaye esibhedlela sifani
ay mfethu ayezinye izinto hawa no
asani labantwana bayedelela mara ile nto bebasayisho bathi ikolo zamanje asafani nezikolo zakudala zokuthi nani zobashayela abantwana nizobayenzana isikolo samanje kungaphakathi kumele sibe nedoctor kumele sibe ne-social worker like kumele labantwana babe nomuntu ukuthi udila nabantwana udila ne-trauma yabantwana kumele wazi ukuthi lo mntwana leyo ukuze adelela wenza yini if uyadelela nje kumele umbeke endleleni in such other ways not ukuthi umshaye because nani yabona manje i-career yama-career wenu ayaphela ngenxa ukuthi wena uphume endlini une-stress nofika lapha uthathe uJojo ushaya umntwana abantu kilikiti cabanga
then you regret yourself tomorrow when you lost your job.
You lost your job abantwana babulawa indlala ke manje imali zamabantwana ema-university awusenazo ngenxa yempama 1
guys mfethu ama high school these days angazi lo ukuthi bekangenwe yini umema wakhona or teacher wakhona azashaya lo mntana la se high school. Ama high school manje if awumameli, if example if awubhali or if awulentuzani awumameli eclassini, uteacher uzenzele ifavor yakhe, ngicela ungiphumele ungihlalele ngaphandle ngifundise abantu abafuna ukufunda. Simple uyabona,
magoloza kuphuma magoloza kuphuma
umisa ku principal.
Principal mafika magoloza sibiza security.
No, ubiza umzali. Ubiza umzali.
Security ayifuni.
Mara security zoyenzayo mara
sabiza principal yakhule ukumkhipha.
Yabaza abantwana be high school bangenwe stage okuhlephula.
Amakhipha security sibiza amaphoyisa manje uyaboshwa. Asaye kude. Uyabona? Simple.
Nakhona lamaphoyisa ayenza lezi ayomthatha angithi bathi abantwana besikole bavalelwe izinto ezikafika bamshaba bambuyisele into enhle naleyo.
Uyabona? Masha abantu bamthetho right. Uyabona? Kunokuthi ashawe yithi bese babuye bakhala. Ngcono simise emthethweni bamdiscipline or bamlalise ejele one night kusasa abuye.
Yabona ukumlalisa ejele.
Uyabona? Abona ukuthi igebengu
ukushaya it's ukushaya is not a good thing. Ngoba like esikolweni there are thousands of learners yangithola, and wonke ama condition wabo awafani. Bonke and ngeke noma wayisi report ezumzali uthi umntana une condition ekanje or akekho stable kanje ngeke wonke abo member kwazi bonke ukuthi ukanje wena.
Ungangwazi laba abakuthishayo okungamelanga bakushaye, kodwa one day uzothi wenza something epompini uhlangana nomunye angakwazi afike ethi wena wenzani
uyayibona izinto ezikanjalo khona. So ihithi ukushayana kahle kwamele
kahle khona akho right.
Akukhanseliwe at all. Makutholiwe another way to lento
zani. Rather than ukuthi umshaye. Mkunike punishment yagunda isikolo sonke utshwani once.
Naleyo sibuya la ukuthi sebamshiftisa ku theory sebamshayisa ama practical
ukuthi
right
marangi nothing ngesikhathi sesikole yena ngo break kundijani short break kundijani after school
yabacava labo mama labo baklinayo labo yabaseyikile labo bathola ukuthi kudala lapha yasekacavela vele like sekayasabwa naye. Hayi akuthola nje uganga nje uphuma into ngaphandle ufake ema toilet ucleaner naye.
Ne uzobafulela umsebenzi futhi.
No beside ukafula umsebenzi kuyanceda
marinkinga abasesikole nakho. Yabazi abantwana besikole basajayela ukuclean. Uzenza into ngamabo amathathu afana nokclean ama toilet. Ngiyokutshela ngithi.
But na ibuya la ukuthi uzobuzenzela wena ikusasa lakho liyakushiya lapha phakathi eclassini.
Problem yazi inkinga yini? Njengoba sihleli la siyasho ukuthi isasa liyakushiya eclassini. Mara ukuringa ivara ngeleza ngikade zethu. Uyibona wena lento le yebo. Nabengayibona. Uyibona manje so la ukuthi yes. Phela manje uma ngathi sibele esikolweni thini? Ngiyakutshela singaphuma ngama level 7
ama A nje kuphela.
Because lapha uboni wena lempilo le bakutshela ngayo uyiboni. Uzeyibona masevele uphumile kule sikole.
That's why bathi life after matric it's something. Mara when nawe yeke isikolo uhambele ngaphandle uyabona ukuthi life is not pap and flakes na.
Kakeke khula uzozibona. Hey. Kuyamaza upheni intuli. Nayo khulima isikhathi eside la.
Phenintuli
awazi phenintuli ukhona ukuthulula lapho. Amazi phenintuli
angimazi ubani phenintuli
Hayi. Wathi le ntombazana le ku Radio 2000 mina ngimazele ku Radio 2000 I didn't know ukuthi ukhe wa act
Waiting for pairing.
or bekafuna ukubheka awumazi le ntombazana le
Paired.
upheni intuli manje ukhe wa trend nalento lokuthi base freeway bebathweka e-freeway ale kuthwekeni ashibona uyacomplaina la usitshela ijeni yakhe ukuthi why ku-act
zanazo sizizwe.
I just saw a picture of a man that single-handedly made me quit acting without even knowing it. Wayedwa Nkosi yami engabambisene namuntu. He recently just trended. It wasn't like a big deal trending, but nje bekuyinto engatheni, it was like subtle trending. And ngitheme ngisibona isithombe sakhe ngakhumbula ukuthi yindaba ngayeka into yoku-actor. Ayibo. And yazi bahle sibengibuza mhlawumbe mengikwama interview ukuthi awupheni waqala ngoku-actor kwenzakalani mhlawumbe ngithi mina khona kodwa izizathu mhlawumbe engihlezi ngisisho sengikhumbulile ukuthi akusilona iqiniso lelo. That's not why I quit acting. That man was the reason why I quit acting. So let me tell you what happened 9 years ago. I think it was 2017. Yeah, 2017. 2017, 2018, if you've been on my page, you'll know ukuthi ngangithanda indaba yoku-act. Ngiyacela just nje ngamabomu ukuthi you've been on my page long enough and wakwangibona kulama stages la ngisafela koZalo, launching my acting career. I even went to school for acting. Ngiphinde ngibamba ama-workshops for attend ama-workshops oku-actor ko-Durban Actors Studio kusakhona uDurban Actors Studio lapha ngaseShaka Marine. Kwaze kwaba khona i-competition I think nge-lockdown kwathiwa silingisele uMangcobo esakuZalo. Mfethu nami ngayenza le nto. Ngagcina sengiyibona sengikwi-set yoZalo phela kuthiwa mesifika laphana sibona ukuthi izinto zenziwa kanjani yabo behind the scenes. Ngathi Durban Jen ngathi imbewu si-actor as ama-extra laphayana yabo. But mfethu ngangifuna kabi lento ye-acting ngibambisene ne-radio ngala. So lwabhuti usekuwubaba nje manje sikhohla kasekhehla lesana. So angazi nini kuphume i-poster yokuthi kunama auditions of actor and ama-judge akhona ngaseGoli and ama-actors aziwayo. I think kwakhona i-director phakathi kube khona i-actor umuntu wesifazane naye-ke lo bhuti who was who is a big actor. Odlala nje kwenye show ngiyidalule kodwa ke esahluleka ngithe mengifike eGoli nganako ukuthi sikhezi sihlulekile ukubiza lela gama. Futhi ngizoyidalula thina sasithi umvango kanti umbango. So anyway, mfethu like ngaphatheka kabi kule ngimbuka ngimhlonipha but izinto indlela ezenzeka ngayo ngathi mengiphuma noma kwenzeka le nto lwaphela nje mfethu uthando loku-actor lwaphela nya phindange ngazama. So what happened was kuphuma i-poster yokuthi kuzoba nama-auditions eThekwini abantu abafisa ukungena into the acting industry abasondele. So vele mina ngiya ngokuthi mfethu sengiyazi ukuthi ama-extra sebenza kanjani, ama-main characters sebenza kanjani, ngiyazi ukuthi sisifundwa kanjani, script usitranslate kanjani. I know the little things that add on to your acting. You can act ngama-facials ungashongo lutho, ama-facial expressions you can act ngokuphefumula yabo. So mfethu angimoshele lwababa. So kuphume lama audition ngihamba nobhuti wami kuSanele umngani wami, my best friend from high school, who turned into my brother. Sisondela kakhulu because siyayithanda i-acting. Mfethu ngosuku lokuqala hayi nathi sigibeleke manje mina ngiyahluleka ukuvuka. So sigcine siphume ngo7 mesifika laphana it was past 7 quarter to 8 sitshela ukuthi sifike early kanti eyibosi ulanda umudu line. Sagcine singa-auditionanga ke ngosuku lokuqala kodwa sagcine sifikile ngasesicabheni. So base beyasitshela ukuthi ngoba besenila mase nifika ngakusasa ngicela ukuthi menifika nize ngaphambili yabo cause nini nigcinile. sifike second day sifike ngabo past 6 still bese si late yabo ngasaba mfethu ukusho ukuthi phela ade ngila izolo kuthiwa yabo mfethu ngasama ke kulayini kwathi ngabo 4 sagcine sesifikile ke phambili samase sifika sebeyasho ukuthi hawu you guys have been here all day sathi yebo but hawu anishongo ngani ngoba ngabe nilokhu njanile ni audition ekuqala ekuseni sathi siyaxolisa besisaba so sa audition and they said you're through to the next round. We were excited. So kanti le QC kuyona izoshesha iphele. Second round uqala vele sisakhona. Kwathi was audition. Za audition I think saphuma ngabo 8 sesigijimela ukuthi sikhave taxi ke manje ekhaya. MS audition ekuthiwa sifike futhi ngakusasa siqhubeke la sigcine khona hayi sifike siqhubeke la sigcine khona. Ama audition kashesha phela ngabo 2 sithi sisetaxini hayibo ku WhatsApp wami because manje after the second round khona iphepha obunikwa lona leli phepha obunikwa lona bubhala igama isibongo uhlalaphi bengisahlala eMlazi uhlalaphi inamba yakhe ithini hayi ngishiye konke lokho yabo hayibo akuphelanga nesikhathi singakanani ngithola uWhatsApp mfethu kanti manje menguthola lo WhatsApp it is this actor guy and I was starstruck, man. I was shocked. I'm like, did he just personally contact me? Yebo. Ngitsheke sosanele ngithi sanele nabo abengithinta yabo mhlawumbe nawe sebezokuthinta. But yabo khona lento engizwa ukuthi no but this is off yabo ngoba muya kwama audition yabo you don't get directly contacted by judge. Ucontactwa production yabo. So ngitshela ukuthi since judge mhlawumbe khona nesikhundla thizena siphethe maybe it's part of production angazi but I'm just excited mfethu ngiyingane nje mina I'm excited ukuthi yazini ngiyaphopa ke manje you know I'm like this is me kickstarting my acting career so athi hey Penny I hope you're well like siyaphila nathi baba ninjani naye siyaphila athi don't call me ubaba nguntanga wenu mina hayibo angeni ndabeni ngibe nalokho uthi hayibo untanga wethu kanjani lo muntu ngikubuka emdala ngabe yabo but you know ngiphume nje lapho because mina my focus is me securing that acting career you know this is my breakthrough so this is not the time for me to yabo ngiphendule snacks athi it was amazing seeing you know ngumuntu wasegoli but I've seen a lot of beautiful things here in KZN no I think babethi Natal I've seen a lot of beautiful things here go Natal you know ulwandle abantu base Natal the language the culture and you mina ngumuntu ke who can read the room mina ngeke ungidide ngingakutshela mengene endaweni uthi oh lo la kukanjani manje I can read the room even kwama text ke mina eqala kudala lena athi ngithi mina and you ibuza ukuthi manje lo bhuti ufuna ngiphendule kanjani ngithi mina ngitwist lento ngithi mina hopefully you're going to see all that beauty on screen soon enough if this comes through or if this goes through yabo sengimbuyisela ekutheni I hope lo buhlo kubona la eNatal me ukuthi nami ngiyabaleka lapho I hope uzongibona nase screenini maduzana yabo phela nami ngiyamtshotha yabo phela make the right choice fethu izinto zami ikhaya athi uhlalaphi ngithi mina ngihlala eMlazi masethi namba basibhukhele khona la ehotela eLazi so I think it was a Central Hotel I think wakusekhona Hilton yeah athi bambhukhele Hilton I think it's noma Southern Sun between those two kodwa he was by the beach because wangishutela isithombe ebuka ibeach ngithi mina that's very nice athi bangibhukhele la ngithi mina that's very nice engishutela ibeach yabo ase athi wathi lo baba kumina hopefully you'll make it to screen if you can make it to my room tonight ngafunda kwezami ukuthi la kuthiwa wozovula imlenze ukuze uthole lo msebenzi mfethu ngiseteksini ebuyile eMlazi yathi idlule eMega City ngafunga ngagomela ukuthi indaba yokuactor never again ayibo that's why nje mfethu lo ababangibulalela iphupho lami lokuthi ngifuna ukuactor
ubalo baba ngafuni ukukhuluma ngegama because abantu bayapredict la nebapredict abantu aba wrong and angazi kuya ngawo kwamela musho lo baba ukuthi ubani or kwamela si protect yena protect like ne career yakhe.
Yeah. So mangifunda ne
Uyifundile
no
mfethu.
so Ikana so le story sakho tosite ngakona ngathi bengisifunde. Mangimuzwa kusaqala ne I was feeling like engathi that guy he's not wrong but ekugcineni makathi he was a judge yeah yatlika lento ukuthi kahle kahle kushuthi mangamphendula kabuhlungu lapha or amphendula thi so you want me to open my legs so that you I can get a role yangithola so it's another thing shuthi like mangamphendula Rafa mangamphendula kanjalo nalo mjita lo uzokwata ngasamophe role aphume kuye shuthi into abayibheka
ubuhle mara bafuna uvule umlenze futhi. Ngisho ukuthi manje wena ucabanga ukuthi manje njengoba uphena intulu manje aphumelele kanje aku Radio 2000 do you think kwamela musho lo baba lo ngegama ukuthi ubani because ayena akasashayanga ngeacting manje seka ku Radio 2000 ulishayile radio
nah
angamusho ngegama
nah
as protect
yeah angamusho ngegama as protect.
What about laba abanye abafuna ukuza bo don't you think ukuthi kumele asho ukuthi nabo babe careful ngaye le perpetrator le
as I khiphile le video le mina I think it's a good thing enough. Yeah it's good enough ukuthi wena ezingithanda ane yeah nam I was once told ukuthi hayi impeka kanjalo hayi no no I was once told ukuthi kule industry le ye media like it's like you are selling your soul. Uyangithola yeah no matter you are a girl or you are a boy it's like you are selling a soul
kanjani
angithola so like it's kuya ngawe ukuthi uyayithatha lento le or
mabasha laba bathathe lento
no not ukuyithatha lento le ezin like ukudiding but kuna indlela yayo nayo bangitshele kanjalo allegedly so yangithola so lento le iya ngawe umuntu okhona ukuthi mina mhlambe as a girl umamelele video le uthi mina I believe ukuthi mangaye lapha ngabulala irole yami ngayithola without ukuvula imlenze kuya ngebelieve yakho uyangithola but yena sekaba alete enough ukuthi if guys kukanje lapha ya iyawazi ukuthi kukanje lapha ya uyangithola
mara le solo kumele umbuze lo muntu lokuthi uyisisala kanjani solo uthi phela sifuna kuba ma actor then usho kanjani mathi uyaselinga our soul sifuna ukwazi hey
yeah that's why ngithi she must not reveal the name of the guy yangithola that's enough
yeah
that's enough
for yena or 14
even for you it's enough now yazi injani lento le so uyazi ukuthi la angithi ifana nani le ifana nalento le ku music industry ukuthi abantu abaku music industry bayithathile lento bayekhendlile in yangithola so kunabanye ukuthi abakhendlanga while bakhona lapha phakathi lapha ya so nawe ungazitshela ukuthi mina ngaya lapha ya ngiyenza leya without selling my soul ngaya lapha ngiyenza without opening my eggs
ubuzile wena ukuthi like usho laba bayithathayo ukuthi they are selling their soul wena wathi even now ongenayo it means they are selling your soul so ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kanjani mina ngingayithathanga lento le kodwa I'm selling my soul just because of I got a role kuzalo you understand angithithe wena bathi wena mongene acting uyasilingisa ngathi wena ngathi mina usho laba bayithathayo lento le wathi even you ungayithathanga lento le kodwa somehow uyasilingisa ufuna ukwazi leyo
labe ngokukhomba example njengaba baku music industry
aseke music industry I understand beside music industry noma umuntu onormal onga act ongayenzini uyayithatha lento aselisoul yakhe so lana ngifuna ukwazi le yakho le ukuthi wena noma ungayithathanga lento le yaselinye soul mongena ku acting kiphela mina uyangithiza tasengithi hayi singayithathanga lento say we are already selling our soul
yeah aye lento le ifana nalento amantombi le ayishoyo lady
kanjani njengoba usho wena uthi kunalabo abaphumelele without ukuvula imilenze
yes so nami
sho ukuthi nalana kunalabo abaphumelele without selling their soul yeah manje ungasithusi sibala uthi
ilento engiyishilo almost from the start mara aye
ingasikwazi ukukhatha lana yazi uzeyibona le episode le lento engisho ukuthi why dasangithuka
into bengisho lokuthi but into into engishilo from the start ukuthi like angithi ushilo ulentuzana opheni ukuthi ukukanje lapha ya wena ungabambeleli lento ayishilo maybe kuwe ngeke yenzakale maybe izoyenzakala but wena wena hlala ualert ukuthi mayengayenzakala lento le mina ngizoyi receive kanjani ngizoyihandlela kanjani nami angithola into engishoyo mina
mara kusilento ishilo manje into isho mara le akusinto ishilo le company isikhathe lapha sivele ubanye ukubonisa lento sengibe concerned ngithi kumele ukuze lo muntu okutshela ukuthi sisele soul kanjani singayithathanga lento
no yeah into engishoyo ukuthi
siye hey umunye untombazana la sakhuluma ngabantu abalayena abasela ama soul mara lo akaselanga soul ngathi umntana abantu sele soul uyintombazana ngaze uyibonile na ijiva kolena mara lengizevala ivolume because of asifuni copyright ijiva phezulu bathini
phezulu jiva phezulu
kompeti umuntu jiva phezulu counter spike cabanga for a trend nje umuntu yajiva ucabanga la sithina sibeka khona ukudla yena ubhizi ngeenyawo zakhe ngezimateka angcolile ezimbarawa abanye abantu hayi man le manje hey
no but no umntana man it's just for content angithi ezoshilo ukuthi abantu like manje sifelo trend sifelo
wow uyabonakala ukuthi 2000 mfana just for content eshop yabantu epusha ukuthi wena manje is good ukuthi umuntu ahamba lapha ebox afika agibele phezulu kwe counter lapha ajive phezulu kwe counter la sibeka khona ukudla kwethu
no sengiyasho ukuthi angithi maybe bazocleana lapha mabaceda
abo bani sibali bacleanele wena uzenza content
so how ibet kanjani like okay ngicela ungiexplainele ke
bra this is a shop uhlekani serious lo yazi ngipora ukuthi wena uyibone mara nginyanya wana sele because intanga yakho nama 2000 ninganje there's nothing that you think that is right you are always thinking that is only content lo muntu lo uyajiva phezulu kwalento lo wena manje wena for example ungagibela phezulu kwetafulekini ujive leni ngihlela kuyi yes or no ungangifuni ukuyalena le yes or no if yes 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 or no
but everything I hate has an explanation.
Yes or no?
Yeah, yes and no.
Yes and no.
Yes, that's why it's everything it's as an explanation.
Okay, explain I know.
Mangi one obvious if I like to if ngifuna something ngayenza.
We want.
Yes.
And then you
know because maybe angithi kusekhaya kunabazali bami angithi yeah so I must behave.
So for the fact ukuthi awuyenzi makunabazali it means it's wrong lento yenzayo sibali.
emehlweni wabo ngoba bona badala.
So wena ngoba umncane ku-right ukujayivela etafuleni.
Emehlweni wabo.
Wow, ama-2000 guys, ama-2000 awasisi indawo eze-country sengiyabona.
No.
So lana no angisafuni iphendulo yakho sengiyizwile answer ku-right lo mntwana. So mina according to mina lo mntwana lo wrong, you can't just come eze ngisebenze nase-shop, eze ngenza i-business management, you just come e-shop. Ungacelanga nokucela. Ngisho nabantu abajayivayo lapha ngeke ufike eshop uvela uthathe camera ungacelanga ukuthi ithi ngijayive lana. You must ask first ukuthi ithi ngicela ukwenza content. Sikuvumela sikubuza ukuthi le content uzoyenza la shop injani. If ufuna ukujayiva okay, jayivela lana akunankinga. But nje uyafika eboxer uyajayiva without asking anyone. Mabakukhuza lo mama we-security makakukhuza akana ndaba lo mntana uyasijayivela. Uyasijayivela. So wena ngithona uthi right. So manje yena is facing illegal actions from i-checkers. Yeah. Why lento lengathathanga i-screenshot kanti?
So bambambeni.
Hey, checkers light. Hey, we are aware of the video circulating on social media because abantu ba take i-checkers bathi are you letting this girl just like that na? But no, we are aware of the media circulating in the media. This behavior does not align with our standards and is not condoned by us. The matter is being addressed through the appropriate international channels. Thank you for bringing this our attentions to our attentions. So obvious uyoboshwa after ukuboshwa iphi le comment la mjitala ngibona is very important iphi na. And sometimes we do things without even thinking vele thina sicabangela izinto manje.
But azingisasho ukuthi abantu besisakhuluma masinini la ukuthi abantu bafela i-content ukutrenda ngezinto ezidom uyabona.
Still ukufela i-content ungeke ufela wena ucabange engcondweni ukuthi thingibele phezulu kwetafula ngijive. I mean come on noma bathi content bana futhi ekini ngabe iKristu yenze kibo bezizotheke bayayivumela le behavior le kibo because ama behavior abantu awafane makiba ama-morals abantu endlini awafane bezizothi okay eShoprite eCheckers come on
no,
guys.
Yeah, that's why ngithi yazi why ngithi abantu bafela content uthola ukuthi yena uyibone with another vision and afika yenza athi uyifaka ispice ngendlela yakhe kanti uyayimosha uyabona.
Nayi u-121 mangazi ukuthi 211 ngoba ufake nela dengela yena la uthi this might also impact the chances of getting employed to some companies in future. And uringi var sometimes we do things thina singacabanga ukuthi lento leyo ngibulala in future mina lo mntana lo cabanga ukuthi umncane kanjani what if akaphumulele ngalento zakhe zokujive uyosebenza kuphi? Cause obvious lana if i-shop bathini i-checkers yombhena through ama-spa i-retailer yena ngeke ayisebenze makakhohle.
Aisha
i-content nathi senze i-content lento le i-content yenza i-content ngento e-right. Yazi angazi bakhona abantu abayifela i-content mara bayifela kwabo uma khithe shop uyashaya ngesamenti aphume kwakhe egarage athi ngesamenti mayigula uyogula yi-1 akagulisanga umuntu. Uyalala phansi bamthele ngamanzi ayenze yonke le mayigula lapha phatha iflu yogula yi-1 akagulisanga uya understand.
Ezibosasho ukuthi like lo mntana lo uyenzela abantu yena uzitshela ukuthi mhlambe makagibela lapha yakule account leya uzothola ama fans khona lapha angithi i-public uzitshela ukuthi like uzothola ama fans khona lapha.
Wangavela ngajive eminyango koro khona lapha accountini lapha hanza vela aqala ajive kunokuthi ugibele i-counter. First of all awucelanga usho ukuthi unyatsa yazi mara ezinye izinto lapha kula kusebenza khona umuntu sibaluma respect the space ukuthi la kusebenza umuntu khona bese ubathi komele bazocleana uzocleanela abantu lo mama lo cleaner phansi lo yakomela asuke lo msebenzi bakayenza lapha uyeka bazocleanela lo mntana lo macethe ukujive la
ube wrong kakhulu lapha maka riding mangacila ube wrong kakhulu.
Besides nokucela ube wrong from the start magibeli counter akunamuntu ongavuma ukuthi wena ugibeli itafula kwakhe ujive. beside nama 2000 noma kuyinto yeni nivuma but akunamzalo ongayivuma akunamzalo ongakukhulisa umntana ukuthi wena gibela amatafula as we grow basifundisa ama morals endlini wena mahamba ungahambi nama morals akho if uhamba nomngane uhambe nama morals akho if uye tavern nama morals akho ungashiya ama morals endlini ungarespect abazali bakho endlini bese uzodisrespecta thina ku public no cause la singena khona nokuthi lo mntana lo ukhuliswa kanjani endlini. That's how it shows ukuthi wena endlini ukhulusa kanjani. Yonekini bayavumela ukuthi ugibele etafula.
But somehow ngeke ngeke uyibeke kanjalo ngoba abanye abantu uthole ezusasho ukuthi uhlonipha endlini ngaphandle afika ngahlonipha abanye bakanjalo. Uthola ukuthi adelele kakhulu mara umthole endlini. Uthola like uphansi enye into.
Hayi ezinye izinto noma bathi content madoda mina ngiyanitshela enzani content right nipostele abantu izinto ezi right uyajiva yes abantu abajiva bayahamba bayojiva estratini siyazi abantu abajiva mara sikazi sibabona bagibile phakathi kwabo phezulu kwama account abathi benze content collaborate if ufuna ukwenza content collaborate with people who are dancing hamba nenza ama routine nijive nawe ke ukuzosibhedela la and manje sebayidelete na le account nyana yakho eTikTok yabo ukuthi kuyafana
yes shame your trend went wrong.
Hayi
begathi uyenza trend it went wrong. Did you hear lentuzana did you le compo artist ngiyahluleka ukuyipronounce legama lakho it's Figo yeah le compo artist he unfortunately he passed away. They shot him with apartment yakhe.
Bani indaba zanini zona lezi
bamdubule nge7 zaka April.
Bani why manje singabona ama compartist at rest in peace ntwana watwata Jesus frostanane lezi
le compo artist le kama le Figo
manje le compo artist ithatha le compo artist sizesithuka abantwana babantu
ngicela arona sondlulile engalo kunye
ngisasela ikhona la le compo artist ore ngapha
ukam oh sorry Limpopo artist
Limpopo artist ethi Limpopo sizesithuka abantwana abantu sithabathandana Jona mawu
usha music na sorry but angithi ngijwayela ukuthi abantu abaseLimpopo basha music leNkompo kabhaya yabona ngoba naye ngibona agcoka ama Nike izinto ezikanjalo yabona ngazithatha ngathi ukuthi Limpopo yabona
so wonke umuntu oseLimpopo ushayela uNkompo ukuthi ngithoyi abathi Limpopo leNkompo
no not kanjalo but angithi manje leNkompo yizo ingoma ezitrenda kakhulu yabona nalaba labantu abakayiso mamela amakompo kakhulu yabona yeah so yiyo elentuzana so unfortunately rest in peace
Figo
utubule uba Figo ithule ilentuzana abantu abayithu abazi nabo ukuthi abantu like abafika ku apartment yakhe afika bamdula and bathi Limpopo artist Figo died days before buying a dream car shem thola ukuthi bekafuna ukuzibhayela ne dream car yakhe emthebelele
umuntu omaziyo lo
ane
obvious umuntu bamdubule before ayothenga imoto obvious umuntu omaziyo
uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe utsho kanje ukuthi utshela umuntu dream yakhe nje ukuthi
ukuyena lentele ukuthi ngiyothenga imoto kusasa abantwana abathakathi bayasho ukuthi yo uhamba etshela mama yakhe ahlanganisa abona ukuthi imeter isebenza tha foko sithola inkabi I wonder bazibizana inkabi eLimpopo
but mara nathi sigijime lokudayiding akamajela sabantu what if bekwamatsotsi nje ama-intruder bewafuna ukutshontsha
why bangajontshi bakuyeke bakudubulela
mhlambe he was stubborn or something
bamele bamdubule inyawo nakhona kwamatsotsi waye kumele bangene before ayethenga imoto yebo ukuthi basho ukuthi lo muntu lo obvious uzayida une cash or iyafana nokuthi wena manje uthola accident found mayothola wena bayisingenile le style but mawutshela umuntu ukuthi usothola accident found wena umele imali jikijiki mabakubona ukuthi sowunemali bayasho ukuthi zingenile umuntu oqasha abantu bayangena kwakho babangena kwakho babopha abantwana bathobopha abantwana bakho nawe lapha bakubophela phansi baphiphini bayahamba bayo withdraw or kunalaba transfer la khona mfethu siyabuka ukuthi abantu vele nalotho lokuthi uhambile ayitshela isipana ukuthi kusasa ngiyothenga imoto cash wazi ukuthi cash awuthola ukuthi ubalenye imoto wabura basi imoto million manje babaza ukuthi cash abasho ukuthi hayi bafethu
yo plus yo yes but ileyo makuyikuthi umuntu omaziyo shoot umuntu oclose naye ngoba lo muntu obvious like i-artist yangithola umuntu ukuthi uScars uhleza busy izinto ezikanjalo maybe uyabona umusic or music kwamele uhlezi udayile ngoproducer kwamele uhlezi ubhala ama lyrics izinto ezikanjalo thola ukuthi umuntu ohleza busy umuntu
girlfriend yakhe allergic why wona uthoba wona uthoba wona mophoke wona mobhekile oba mina ngiyakutshela igirlfriend yakhe allergic wona uthoba awu mina ufikela wasikavarisha ufuna silakhe umkhondo ufika uTelecom
ngimaze lapho nokumazi inkosi
wazi bani ukuthi babanicasha thina masilele babanicasha nenzani
ngifike ndini lentuzana limpompo ngihlezi ngila nje
mawazi bani ukuthi mawuphuma la uyaphi we uthola ukuthi awufike nesendlini uthola ukuthi endlini batshela ukuthi sishuta ubusuku bonke la mina la ungitshela ukuthi wena uyendlini
ya
fika lapho wena bakuthatha ngechopa lempopo fika lapha mntana abantu uyavuya uyahlala la uzokhuluma ngayo uthi ukhuluma manga uTelecom yabo ukuthi
kube maye sinenye imali sinezinye
angithe ufuna ukujampisa usashala phansi izofika lesikhathi uzoba nemali
yeah so tete ngizoba nemali ukushuthi kahle nkosi
uzobukale
hayi never
yakutshela ngithi
never
yakutshela ayikhwe mara may you so rest in peace madoda yes
but na into lento lebo sayisho ukuthi maybe likompo artist or one wabo artist a big artist mayishonile yabona abantu abakule genre leyo or abantu abayenza lise music eziyena bamu
bathi rest in peace
yeah
phela mina
ngiyaqala
ngiyaqala ukuyizwa
to show izinto ezikanjalo ngithola mfethu to show unity uthi siyimbumba into eyi-one even if sishaya same genre but angithi manishaya same genre but sizwa ilentuzana
different music
yeah ne different messages yangithola if music wakhona ne message yabona izinto ezikanjalo it's
right kompo ne message ubonile imo ibathini le bathu bani le ngishayile le bayibuze bayishanga ama question ngale parliament yasula sibale hashe bathu bani Julius Mkhwanazi ayisona
in the file.
kaba ngama-question
Do you have it?
Anyway. Nalethikisisa. Kubi.
Can you help?
Sorry, Commissioner. Oh, you have a
I'm sweating.
tissues.
Kubi baba kubi.
sibali kubi ngalazi sibali
Stuck on your forehead. Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's off. It's off. Thank you.
Ubani umtshela ukuthi you have a
Angiyazi
tissue. Mayiceda iyenza kanje. Yabona ukuthi ayi kubi la.
uzothi Julius Mkhonazi angazi lengikhokhe ukuthi bathi yenzeni mara kunala ilove khona ekhodi la uthi lesho ukuthi beyofihla into zayo my film abayibuza bathi why ulove ekhodi ithi like ulithi la belugula lile la yombona esibhedlela ngacheck ama record lapha ukuthi lo muntu ombona esibhedlela bathi first of all lo muntu lo uthuma makho athi ya athi lo muntu lo must siya check ukudlula nge10 years and according to ifamily yakho wena kusuwe uyi1 unosisi wakho sho ukuthi lo muntu yenisisi wakho ukudlula nge2 years sho ukuthi lo muntu lo benomntwana nana 8 years esibali
That's why ijuluka kahle.
baba ngale ngithi kuyanyiwa ngalabadlali sibali ngale abadlali manje commission
Yes.
and shout out to ubaba umkhwanazi angazi wathe uzoba yini lento lebe ngisho ukuthi bekayenzele eNatal manje sebayechinja manje bathi uzoba iwatwata kusase icommissioner bathi yini ya the whole South Africa manje
Wow.
so shout out to him into asishilo ukuthi uyocala ngayo lama big 5 lawo
Yeah, labo baka.
yeah
So
the priority
I heard rumors ukuthi Julius Malema he was arrested.
he was not arrested, he was sentenced
Yeah, he was
5 years is direct 5 years direct jail indirect or direct I don't know
Yeah. It's indirect. It's direct plus fines.
Marovias bungana ukuthi angayi ejele mina ngibonile ukuthi leka Malema yindawo
Ikenzakaleni kahle ngizwe izinto eziningi
ngithi bathi balena bamthatshela for ukudubula i-firearm ne-firearm bathi bengekho emthethweni what firearm kurally yakhe futhi but lento le like angazi phela kunokuthi Julius Malema ngaya ejele for ukudubula isibhamu phezulu rather than ukuthi kunomuntu bokumela ejele akayanga urapile ujotshe imali for i-country mara akayanga ejele yabo ukuthi naye there was no way ukuthi angaye ejele
Yeah, but ngizwe nokuthi like lawyer yakhe uJulius Malema like angithi babambambe bazibiza ngama-inch 1 inch 2 inch in so uzibhadalile lama fine lawo ya wonke yangithola then abatshela ukuthi I don't see a need ukuthi mina umbambe lo muntu ngoba akadubulanga umuntu udubule phezulu yangithola so badalela ama fine lawo yakhona lawo
mara wena ngikuthi ngaba kuwe manje umuntu normal kanje benyeke bathi ngoba udubule phezulu ngiyakutshela ngithi wena buzo yejele straight
no but
ngiyakutshela ngithi lapha uMalema futhi ba right bangamisa ejele because they even nabo ngisho ukuthi bayicabangile nabo ukuthi if sisanda lo muntu ejele ikuzenzakala into kwenzakala ngozuzu ukuthi kuzoba namaluthini namani ubonile sibaqala istrike abantu bakhe already
yazi mangibuza kanje ngidaswa ngithi ngizwe izinto eziningi ngibone naleyo bathi abantu babalutha ngimangala ukuthi ba strike sabo sekukulula
kusho ukuthi laba balutha bathatha advantage angithi kuna laba esithina esisuka la sethi siyo strike senze into right masifika le phambili abantu masifika la masithola nina la ikazi kuna strike asingeneni nathi ngiyangithola ukuthi nishaya abantu basekasilini vele thina sisenge strike
ngalutho sebathathe advantage manje bayalutha
yona ngaba yenzekile abeselutha shem
yangithi thenga ikhuluma siyeke soyikhuluma offset le
ukuthi mara ngibhale uthi sekhuluma side ngiyokuthe hayi isikhathi sesekhona singayishaya 30 minutes
Sekhuluma kunezinye izinto mfethu azifuni ukukhipha
asikhuluma amagama abantu
no asiye
asikhuluma amagama abantu ufuna ukuthi baluthile ecaleni ufuna ukuthi baluthile ecaleni
iwona mkhiphisa umuntu indaba ngenkali
sibalethile
angithona ukuthi ufuna ukuletha equipment so moba ngayiletha la uzoya kuphi la
bayiletha ku la usho kanjani
iluthing bayiletha ngapha ngithi ufuna ukuletha equipment
price ivayile la guys
uyabona
amare makuleni usho ukuthi masingena lapha sakangena lapha emakuleni le
angeke uyithola iCanon lapha
sini amare vela pasathola ikistama mic yabona ama mic wona singaphuma nama mic stand
sure
nedade ngila mall of Tembisa ikhona
lapha kaze kwaluthiwa lapha ungalutha lapha
la kwamkhonza lapha the time ukusebenza thina bokugada amasoja waphekelwa yithi lamasoja lawo
Qaba ukushuthi wena ufuna siyofa ngithi usitshela ngemall of Tembisa yazi into danger lapha
angijakaseka kumkhonza manje wathi ushonile mabasho
ushonile
singaya lapha bazosidobuwe ngiyakutshela mina
uyolutha kanti wena
ngisho manje singakhulumi le ukuthi sikhonza wenze uzosidobuwe ngoya ngibuza ukuthi ushonile wena wazi ukuthi umkhonza ushonile awubona ngomncwabo wakho eTV wena uzongibuza ukuthi ushonile mina ngamamphiciphici mina
kumhlungu ngimba ngifuna ukuthi ngiqinise
Ukuze ukuthi shoni
yes awa
mama manje wathi thina sifuna umsebenzi
obani
government
that's asifuna umsebenzi
babonisa bonke abantu be different be ANC la nabakhuluma
let us not mask our difficulties. Let us not tell our people lies. Let us tell it as it is. Unemployment is 41% and it includes people who are discouraged.
Let's leave out this expanded explanation of unemployment in the country, because we don't know what those people are doing.
But who decides not to work? There are homemakers there who prefer not to work. There are people who have not actively gone to seek an employment. So you cannot even include those people. If you put that 9%, it means you are also putting people who prefer. There are housewives, housemen, husbands.
I don't know if this committee should now spit in those people's faces and say, yeah, Lena, you were unemployed and now you are discouraged and so on, and we no longer count you. No, Chair, I don't think it's right. I don't think it's right if those people are listening now at home that we are about to say that they don't matter, they should not be in that statistic, they should not be part of the problem that needs to be solved. The problem that needs to be solved is a 41% problem, Chair. It's not less than 41%. And if we reduce it, because we don't want to make it look like a crisis, even at 32%, it's a crisis.
For no, informal sector is not a crisis. It's not. And that is not there. There is no crisis in this country. Yes, we...
explain again. Because if angithi bona balakhalela ukundaba ukuthi masithi sibala 50% of unemployed people, sibala like even those abangafuni ukusebenza abo kukhona vele mara bakhona
yabo thina so
wena ufuna ukusebenza due to your conditions. You understand? Kunomuntu lokuthi uhleli unezange siphelelo nenyawo esiphelelo namahla phelela akafuna ukwenza next empilweni yakho, ufuna ukusupporta umama wakhe nobabakhe.
Okay.
Angithi ngabe ungafuna ukusebenza ngabe ungachuni lento le acting ungabe ungachuni extra lento le besichuni extra umsebenzini lapha ya unless ibonga thatha serious besebenza le ngiyakutshela phela ukuthi next time bakubiza wazi ukuthi emsebenzini le so kunalabo ukuthi vele bahleli abafuna ukusebenza abafuna ukwenza so into bayikhalelayo ukuthi nama housewife nawo abala phakathi kwalana ukuthi phakathi kwale percentage. So lo mjita lo I think uthini if siyababala yes manifuna ukuba count out asi employing laba abafuna ukuemployeka ke and then laba bazoba basele 3% le kuyi5% le kusho khona ukuthi kuzobe kwama haye laba bangafuni ukusebenza nama housewife nama ini cause mara yena ingenye indlela cause somehow I think nama bathi unemployment nama taxi driver bayabala.
Yeah, phela don't forget mfethu kunama taxi driver lapha ngaphandle anama qualification whole qualifications anama degree
mara uyasebenza nomuntu osebenza espa kunabanye abantu banama degree ukuthi angaba engineer mara uyasebenza angazi ukuthi anganastana yes akatholanga umsebenzi wakhe we dream mara for the fact ukuthi mara for the fact ukuthi implement sibala abantu abasebenzayo nabangasebenzi aseka ama qualification aside.
No, yazi leya sithatha ezikanjani. Also ungangitshela ukuthi uMadala Moyane uyasebenza.
uMadala Moyane ukusi taxi drive.
Mara uyasebenza. No, ngifuna ukukandlalela la grade ngitasa ikhombe example.
Uyasebenza.
Yazi why ngithi it's not like umsebenzi sure akala umsebenzi but it's self-employed.
Exactly. Ima before siyaphambili uthi in
self-employed. So like
underline lele
ngifuna ukubuyela la lo muntu leya kune possibility ukuthi ayosebenza ilanga lonke or ayosebenza iviki lonke angatholi lutho.
Ayapi
asibuye spana sekuphi mawuse spy kuphi ungasebenza iviki lonke in but you know ukuthi month end surely you'll get something
ileni imali yakho phela
sure
so there's a different mara lana sikhuluma nge-employment ne-unemployment lana songitshela different wona umuntu ukuthi uzibonele business yakhe nomuntu ukuthi uthembele emsebenzini vele laba bafana and ukenzeka ukuthi lo yena osithembele ku business yakhe abe more successful more than lo yena asebenzayo
sure
vela kunamuntu rich osebenzayo umuntu rich umuntu osebenzayo
mara
seringe virus bani
ngoba niyazitshela ukuthi hayi mangingayi namhlanje ngizoyithola
you know why food they give anti yasebenza end of month they give you money that you can spend it will be enough for that month so that you can come back and do another month umuntu onemali akadepend kulento zeni yena noma ngahlala phansi onemali uyayibona
but uyibeka ngenye indlela ukuthi bahlezi banemali yeah but as usho ukuthi it depends kuya ngokuthi umsebenzi wakho ungakanani yabona kunamanye ama employment ukuthi a rate imali enkulu uyangithola ungakhona ukuzisurvivisa wena nefamily yakho nayo lentuzane yakho yangithola uzoyenza iemployment ngale self employment yakho yangithola job opportunities I meant to say
manje laba sho ukuthi like bona bafuna like angazi bafuna sibhale phansi ukuthi lo ufuna umsebenzi lo akafuna umsebenzi sho ukuthi kumele bahambe house to house babheka ukuthi yini ne5 okay Kamariso ufuna umsebenzi yes no Sunzuzo ufuna umsebenzi
yabona lento oyikhothila ne I think it's a right solution
usho nje
kufana
statistic is right
angithini nanoma like bafuna ama votes bafuna ini they are able ukuthi basende abantu abanye ukuthi bahambe ukuthi
mara bana statistic is right labantu badlala ngathi labantu abahamba babala abantu ababuza ukuthi ubani osebenzayo ubani ongasebenzi
uyayibona izinto ezikanjalo
badlala ngathi labo
uyayibona ikanjalo ingasebenza na kanjalo it's a solution that one
mara sho ukuthi labantu basibalayo wena usho basibala zona labaya
nabakithi basemsebenzini ayi kunabanye ukuthi bazokubala grand kunabanye ukuthi hayi mina izilongo ngichayisile ngithole imali ngicedile yabo
bese bathi government statistics is wrong as long as ahwalile
thole imali they don't care about others future or benefits yabona
ngamele sothole sho ukuthi lento le ka Ramaphosa digital ID be right because bazosibala grand mara isiphongweni pho mina into engisinayo ukuthi kumele ibe isiphongweni
mangithi ye ngijema ne ngisafuna ukubuzisa kahle kahle ukuthi yini le digital ID.
AI ID. Wafaka i-AI la isiphongo sakho.
Maye thina sesiba i-technology manje.
Kanjalo bafuna ukusicontrol labantu bona bafuna hayi yona vele yasolisa. Oyakomele sifake isiphongo. Bathi mawufika eshop mawunganayo awubuy if uyayivume.
Bathizani lento le mngani wami. Bathizani le.
Kumele ize DCA angazi since bayiprotest abantu baseparliament bathi bona bayivume. Angazi benginayo topic yakhona la mana angazi ngadelete ngoba sizange sakhuluma ngayo. Atufuna i-digital ID Ramaphosa. Awufika nje shop
D sesiba ama barcode.
Yiwena.
Abathathu kulama movie lawa ama
ilento zabo Eleni Mas zama AI ile AI yenu kahle kahle manje seyiza kezinye manje
eish
hayi
yeah hey but thola ukuthi mhlambe bekathi ufuna ukenzela i-country yethu ngento into e-right but yena mhlambe uza nge-decision
wrong leya ayikho decision yakhe ayenza Ramaphosa e-right ikisi ngathi le ama-ID ama-ID ize ngayo le card or ize ngoZuma
amakhadi
ama-smart card
amakhadi angikho sure but ukuthi sibe ne-ID konje bathu bani no sesiya ku-history manje
yeah
naye ngikho sure ukuthi ubani usenzele ukuthi siba amakhadi namakhadi
uZuma not mistaken wanini vele amakhadi
wasimanje
wawona vele wamanje umbika kaphaka umbeki uzingono nomndende saphola umndende
ayish
Ramaphosa uze nani change imali phezulu kwala change imali phela umuntu lo bathu right ngeeconomics umuntu oyinza bathini ama numbers kodwa siyasokola eze counter nokunokuthi ufike uncede yafika uchinja imali sayichinja le mali uyafika uyayichinja futhi
eish but ayesingakhohle ukuthi lo muntu like akaziphathanga yedwa
ubani
uRamaphosa
usiphethe lo bani
angithi bathi akazithathela ama decision
akusuke kuphela not the next president engenayo enyeke isithathela ama decision labantu labo bona thina sisaphetha belungu vele abo laba ama ice boy bayabathuma nje yale ayibona hey ama ice boy ngiyakutshela bangakuthusi lapho until we get our lands back.
Do you think we will ever get the land?
Never. Unless thina siphakama vele.
Into yenzeke kudala nakudala ukuthi like thina sibe nelinto uzani nje kuphela yabona freedom. Design yabona. So into womele sisi
sibe ne freedom bona babe nemali.
Eish.
Waiting for Perry.
Oh na mali.
Yeah, but mama into enhle lo bungitshela yona ukuthi abasara ide ayisekho le digital lady uthi ayisekho
ngicela basayidiscuss ukuthi mara majority bengayifuni ngisho ukuthi anyekiza because EFF bengayifuni DA bengayifuni bathini le yaseNatal MK bengayifuni
contest
nani futhi into esibhayi ezingasifuni le ntaleka amashaba le ethi mabahambe bathini action essay naye bengayifuni
maningi lamaphathi
maningi sibali nami ngifuna ukuvula eyami aye essay
yeah
thina sibayisabelungu
wena musuphuvu usovusa into zani ke
apartheid sesishaya ngithebe kuya ama blacks sishaya white apartheid manje kumele sibayenzela yabe idompasi manje yabe idompasi kumele kube incwadi ke futhi incwadi ngiyibona kumele kube imaths bahambe bawurole bawubeke la everyday makahamba bayibeka ya idompasi yakhe mawunganayo siyakushaya mawumlungu yeah
yenza lento
labantu bashaya abazali bethu uyadlala wena
I forget the name of that guy. Shout out to that guy. He did the South Africa like such a wonderful thing. it was ukunje wathi one kama like ngiyalikhohlwa man ukuthi wenza ukuthi wonke like umuntu la around angasabi nedompasi abe ne-ID
Bathi bani la?
konje ngilikhohliwe igama lakho ubani I'll tell you when I remember that guy's name he stood for South Africa to have IDs
Wenze.
ucove ikirivan ane acova i-ID angithi bese bakhathele lento lokuthi kwamele mawuhlangana nomlungu nephoyisa dompas ukhombi dompas then I tell like acova i-dompas yakhe ayithela kala athi ahamba like around athi wonke umuntu if ukhathele ukudayiding ukusebenzisa idompas and you want to ukusebenzisa idompas put your dompas inside here wonke umuntu sebaqala bafaka amadompas wabo izinto ezikanjalo yabona bafaka amadompas wabo bayilwa kanjalo leyo ndaba leyo
Mara why babala yena kuphela because even abo Mandela bayilwile indaba
Yeah.
yomba Mandela uthi mafika ku ANC first rule yakhe athi we are banning the dompases bonke ngikhumbula basibonisa ukuthi bonke bafaka lapha emlilweni abo Walter Sisulu
Sure,
abantu
sure.
bangabalena kuphela
yeah
like impumelelo yini le itokologa freedom singabala abantu abafuthi labantu labo uMandela ngimbala kasidlela like balwile bahluleka abo Mandela ngiyakutshela anti phela bophila khona manje let's say sithi siyojoinja siyojoinja pride seshaye heist
Sure.
sifike lapha sithi bafike basibambe sihambe sejele 10 years asikhulekanga sile sayobamba inkunzi sahluleka basibopha
itricky le yakho ayi
tricky kanjani asikhule okay wona uma ufuna ukuthi asikhulekanga ngibeke ngeyakho angazi ngizothini if asikhulekanga
ayishikingi tricky le serious yeah uyazi injani ilento lo uyisho ukuthi ngingasho yena nje kuphela and bengizoshika mili one if ngikhumbule yena like there are people behind those like not success but those like achievements
Achievements,
yeah yabo Mandela in there are people behind those things vele izinto ezikanjalo ukuthi mhlambe bamnceda but ubuso obuzile bona bathi appearile baka Mandela
ayapi ejele angithi 27 years ulwe kanjani asejele because yena uma ngalaphuma nje bamkhipha
eish
understand lento marengisho
nya understand
bona bayicelile Walter Sisulu le organization bahluleka
sure
abantu abasilolile la mpijama ukuringa imvara abafazi abantu abaleli South Africa abafazi Winnie Mandela nomntwanakhe yibo bahamba bonke bahamba le didi amabhuna angabafuni cabanga umfazi ngalesi sikhathi apartheid angana power kodwa lo mfazi lo yena wa amathunyolo lindoda yami nyolola iSouth Africa nalabantu laba bahamba baspreada iapartheid kuma exiles countries kuma Nigeria kuma outside Africa babahambisile bafika lapha bakhuluma ukuthi phela abelungu ngase South Africa bayenza yini babonisa lento le babonisa uTrump ukuthi umalima bathu awe South Africa nabe bayenza njalo wabonisa ababelungu ukuthi phela nabe bona ukuthi labantu bene South Africa babastreata njani so labantu laba ba-investile ama-oil amayinini baba-threatenisha ukuthi phela nina if niyacontinue lento le kuzoba iwar enkulu and zizolwisa imali eningi thina ngcono siphule out manje
sure
bona la bahlala phansi khona kune Codesa 1 Codesa 2 Codesa 3 la bahlala khona badiscussa ke ukuthi lento le siyibamba njani ukuze siphilisane thina nabantu abamnyama
sure
into abayifuna yini ukungena ema-toilet wethu ababelungu ukuhamba emasabapho for free asibanikeni yona lento le and naye basinikile ukuthi sihambe emasabapho for free sibe ne-Shoprite la singene isikolo for free kodwa imali kibo so abantu abasilwele abafazi lamadoda alwile ahluleka ejele
yeah yazi lento oyisho yene ibuya la ukuthi hayi mara siyeke le nto
Yeah.
efane sayi fana siyeke ayifani bosathini
hayi namanga
ayifani
ayasibaleni bafethu anything to plug? Hey.
Nothing yet, but something big coming soon. Stay tuned.
Yeah, bafethu, don't forget to follow us on AMTV bafethu, even on this podcast bafethu, which is Facts and Laughs bafethu. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share bafethu. Yeah.
And together we are AM Studios.
Ulahlile, man. I am Ayeye, and then this is my timing. Together we are AM Studios. Yeah.
Okay.
I see to we. I am Ayeye.
I am my timing.
Together we are AM Studios.
Asithini we poo.